Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Express, stock number 28568T. Now this is a quad cab. And the Classic, the 2019 Classics, the 18 body style. As I said, this is the Express quad cab. Does have the 3.6 Pentastar motor in it with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is 4x4. We've got the 40-20-40 split bench here, and it is a diesel in color, diesel gray. This truck is a brilliant crystal, black crystal on the exterior. We do have cruise control, Sirius satellite radio, trailer tow brake, power windows, locks, mirrors. Storage compartments under the back seat here. This truck is equipped with the Ram box. Great for tools or hunting supply storage. Got lights in it, shut on and off. We've got 20-inch chrome clad wheels on it. Does have a backup camera, tow package. Got the LED bed lighting. It's nice, you can lock these boxes up and what have you. Got drain holes in the bottom in case you decide to fill it up with ice and your favorite beverage, what have you. 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Express Quad Cab, 4x4, 1500 series with a 3.6 Pentastar. Brilliant black crystal pearl coat here at Cherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.